This video will show you how to easily create self-print checks in Docyt. Log into your Docyt account. Locate and click on the Expense Management drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Accounts Payable. In the Accounts Payable section, you will find various options. Click on Invoice Queue. Your invoice must be in the ready-to-pay status in order to create a self-print check in Docyt. If your invoice is not in the ready-to-pay status, please verify or approve the invoice before proceeding. Now, click on the drop-down menu of the invoice you wish to pay. Select Pay by Docyt Check. Select the three dots in the right upper corner and then choose Self-Print Check. Now, click on the blue Generate Check button. A secret code will be sent to your email address. Check your email for the code. Enter the code into the security code field and click on the blue Generate Payment button. Your check will automatically download. Check your download folder for the PDF file. Make sure you have blank check stock in your printer. Open the file and select Print. Once you have reviewed the print details, simply select the Print option to proceed. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first self-print check in Docyt.